TikTok girls are back at it again. And what I mean by back at it again, naalala niyo mga kaunggoy, yung my heart went oops, and then they have jumping melons up their chests. You guys remember that? Basically, there's a new trend. And that new trend is Banyo Queen TikTok. Banyo Queen TikTok compilation. So, Banyo Queen. Alam ko yung kantang yun. Oh, madalas lumalabas Banyo Queen. Oh, darling, darling. Whatever. Basically, the girls are using that bit, that part of the Banyo Queen by Andrew E. song, and ginagawa nila ng kung ano-anong muka. Ito yung mga muka. It's like they're getting possessed. It's scary. Nakakatakot na ako. Para silang inaano, no? Parang yun sa Exorcist. Eye roll. Ito kamukha niya si Undertaker. Ginawa ni Paulul to eh. So, Paulul is a very famous YouTuber, and since wala na kaming magawang content o maisip na content, gagayahin na namin yung mga famous YouTubers. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Alin dito yung pinakamaraming views mga kaunggoy? Okay, let's take the 170 views, ladies and gentlemen. Yung pinakamataas na views talaga mga kaunggoy. Let's begin! Grab your tissue and your lotion just in case! Just in case, mga kaunggoy! Hindi ko pina-react si Manong Jireh kasi pag si Manong Jireh yung nag-react dito, he's a pervert. Manong Jireh is a fucking pervert. He's sick in the head. So si Banana Man, ako medyo maayos pa ako. So I respect the women. Banana Man respects women. This is just in case. While Manong Jireh is he's a fucking douchebag. Paano ba natin to gagawin? React lang? Yun lang ba? Hindi ko alam kung paano gawin to eh. When the night... Ang sabi niya sa akin, pinasok ko, and boy, walang the place. At ang sabi niya sa akin, pinasok ko, and boy, walang the place. At ang sabi niya sa akin, I like the editing, by the way. Gusto ko lang sabihin to mga kaunggoy. Alam ba to ng mga magulang nyo? Ginagawa nyo to, and you're posting it online. Alam ba to ng mga magulang nyo? What the fuck are you doing? Meron mga ibang mga lalaki dyan na they simply can't control themselves. They are sick in the head, sick in their fucked up minds, na magko-comment sila ng mga kabastusan. Alam niyo na yung mga malilibog na lalaki na nagko-comment sa mga comment sections sa mga babae na nagpapakita ng mga whatever. Parehong parties ang merong kasalanan. Boys and the girls that are doing showing their shit. I'm getting too preachy. I don't like getting preachy. Fuck. Pinasok ko, and boy, walang the place. At ang sabi niya sa akin, Gusto ko makakita mga kaunggoy yung parang yung Undertaker. Yung talaga mamana talaga. I don't know. Boy, walang the place. At ang sabi niya sa akin, oh shit, look at that. There. That's creepy as hell. Oh my god. Nakakatakot to, kaya kailangan ko ng mga ganito. Just look at the cute kittens. Cute kittens, cute kitties. Oh my god, that's so cute. She looks like Undertaker. Kamukha niya! It's the female version of Undertaker, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sorry. Kamukha niya si Undertaker, mga kaunggoy. Hindi dapat to Banyo Queen challenge, mga kaunggoy, sa TikTok. This should be the Undertaker challenge.
Pinasok ko and boy, walang the please. At ang sabi niya sa akin,
that lip bite though.
Pinasok ko and boy, walang the please. At ang sabi niya sa akin,
Hindi ko alam kung ba't ako natawa po. What is up with today's generation, ladies and gentlemen? Tas magrereklamo sila, oh, ang daming mga malilibog na lalaki. I don't even know anymore. Like, what the fuck is up with this world? I'm just asking, ladies and gentlemen. Hindi ako dumila dahil something Dumila ako kasi may konting, you know, juice dito. Ayoko makarinig ng mga, oh, banana man, you're pervert or whatever. I know!
pinasok ko and boy, walang the please. At ang sabi niya sa akin, pinasok ko and boy, walang the please. At ang sabi niya sa akin, pinasok ko and boy, walang the please. At ang sabi niya sa akin,
I get... those eyes though. This girl has talented eyes. Like, kaya niyang isalubong yung pupils. How do you even do that shit? Please teach me how to do that shit. Yung sumasalubong. How do you do that? And one thing I wanna ask, ba't ginagawa to ng mga babae? Like, what kind of attention are they trying to get? What kind of attention do they want? Parang napapaisip ako like parang, and all this, you know, goody two-shoes shit around the world. Oh, if you do that, you're a slut. Oh, if you do that, you're whatever. Parang, they are completely aware of the, you know, the goody two-shoes era of this world now, mga kaunggoy. And I'm asking, alam ba nila yun, or they choose to ignore that shit?
ang sabi niya sa akin,
Just look at the kittens. Look at the kittens. I don't want to look like a pervert here in this channel. Just look at the kittens. Right? Mga kaunggoy, hindi ko alam kung ba't ginagawa. First, yung my heart went oops. Alam niyo yun? Juggling melons. And then, next is this. Hindi ito. Yung ito. Banyo Queen TikTok compilation, whatever. What has the world come to, ladies and gentlemen? Ano na nangyayari sa mundo, mga kaunggoy? Di ko na gets. I don't get it anymore. Look at the kittens. Forget about everything you just watched. Just think about these lovely, cute kittens, mga. I don't know, ladies and gentlemen. My opinion lang sa mga my heart went oops and sa Banyo Queen, whatever, TikTok, shit. It's your account. You can do whatever the hell you want. I don't care. It's your life. Malaki na kayo. Alam nyo na yung tama at mali. Pero, just be safe and watch out. There's a lot of psychopaths. Hindi lang sa streets, sa internet din. Maraming mga psychopaths, maraming mga sick in the head, maraming mga, basta yung mga may mga fucked up minds, mga kaunggoy. So, ingat lang kayo doon. Just, you know, be careful and be safe or whatever. And that's the bottom line because Banana Man said so. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm Banana Man and I'm signing out. So if you'll excuse me. If you guys will excuse me, I'm gonna go somewhere. Lotion and all that. See you later.
My nose pretty, yeah. House full of kilos, soul pounds of zeros. Cocaine my hero, you ain't fake side getting Debo. Always asking what to learn like. Young home still freeload. Don't fly around my signal. I rearrange your gendo. Don't fly around my signal. Don't fly around my signal. Don't fly around my signal. I rearrange your gendo. Could be my house, you act disciple. Heard that I'm liable. You get the eyeful. Aim out the eye.